Hello and welcome to another Into Tech Apple tips and tutorial video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to turn off iMessages on your Apple device. Right, so first up, what is iMessages? Well, iMessage allows you to send messages between all Apple devices, whether that be iPad, Mac or your iPhone. But some people do have problems if they want to switch their number, say from an iPhone to an Android phone, or just send messages to someone who's on an Android phone. Turning off iMessages will eliminate this problem. Right, so the first thing we need to do is click on Settings. Once in Settings, scroll down to Messages. Once in Messages, you will see underneath Notifications it says iMessage. Just toggle this off to disable it. If you change your mind and want it back on, just toggle it back on again and back out of the Settings menu and you're done. Right, so that is how to turn on or off iMessages on your iPhone device. I hope you enjoyed this video. If so, please do give it a like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.